Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the contents of Emirates First Class Amenity Kits for both women and men. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So I was lucky enough to snag both amenity kits for Emirates. These are presented to you by Bulgari. So, and this is the woman's kit. So there's some things that'll be the same. You got a dental kit, you got a comb, and it's just a tag about the Bulgari stuff. Got deodorant, passion, I guess maybe passion fruit, earplugs. Here you've got towelette, hair tie. Then you've got the set of, you've got some fragrance. You've got the set of creams that come with that fragrance, and that's in that little drawstring bag in there. So yeah, love the Emirates First Class Amenity Kits. They're plentiful with useful things there. Lip balm as well. And you've got tissues also. And it even comes with a pocket mirror if I ever get it out of the case there. But I tell you, that is a mirror, so I'm sure that's useful for women. It was kind of in there tight, but yeah, take my word on that. That is a mirror that was just stubborn to get out of there using one hand. And there we go. So that's the woman's amenity kit. So let's look at the men's amenity kit. So this is also Bulgari, and just you notice there's a different style casing to it. So you have tissues in this one, so you'll see some overlap, but this one you've got a razor. It's Axe deodorant. You have earplugs and the comb as well. And this one, the dental kit. Here you've got the towelette, white towelette. So you also do have the creams that come with this one, but a male scent, a male perfume there. Cologne for Bulgari. You got the lip balm also. And you did see some shaving cream there to go along with that razor. So those are the women's and men's amenity kits in First Class on Emirates, which contain a lot of useful things, if you ask me. So if you are going to be flying this product soon, this was as of August 2025, so this is what you should receive. As always, I appreciate you watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.